Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent everyone from sending messages in a WhatsApp group on your Android device with the latest updates. Follow these steps to customize your group settings for better control. To get started, open WhatsApp on your Android device and enter the desired group chat. Tap on the group name located at the top of the chat to access the group info page. This page contains various settings and options for managing the group. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Group Permissions, usually displayed as a gear icon. Tap on it to access the specific settings related to group permissions. Within the Group Permissions section, find the option Send Messages under the Members Can category. Toggle the button next to it to turn off the permission for all group members to send messages. By following these steps, you can easily prevent everyone in the WhatsApp group from sending messages, promoting a quiet communication environment when needed. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the updated feature that enables you to customize group settings for a more controlled and focused group experience. Happy group communication!